So today I'll be doing my math assignment or homework, whichever you want to call it. But yes, it is from IESA. I forgot to put the logo, but it's okay, I guess. Anyways, my student ID is 6811100009. And there are 4 topics that I'll be covering today, which is markup on cost, markup on selling points, forecast, which is moving average, and break even. So let's start on the first topic, which is markup on cost. What is markup on cost, you ask? Or if you didn't, I'll tell anyways because it's my job. So markup is the amount you add to the cost of a product in order to determine its selling price. And the formula for this one is markup on cost percentage thingy equals selling price minus cost over cost times 100. And an example for this is if a product costs 200 baht and I apply a 75% markup on cost, what will the selling price be? So luckily for us, we usually have to find the components, like what the cost is, what the percentage markup on cost is, but luckily for us, like I said, we have someone that highlighted it for us, yes, which is totally not me, yeah. So anyways, we got this and we would just put it into the formula, and after putting it into the formula we get this. So the next step to get this is to divide both sides by 100. 1 which does not matter. 5 and 1 does not matter, by the way. So this thing's gone, and we were left with 0.75 equals selling price minus 200 over 200. And then we have to move this thing to this side. So this thing is currently dividing with this. So once we move it to this side, it'll be multiplying. So it'll be this. And the stays the same for now. Yes. And after doing this side, we get 150. And we will move this minus 200 to this side. So basically, it will be plus. Like multiplication, not multiplication, addition. So basically, as you know, this one was dividing and now it turns into multiplication. So this one, like basic math, So if you move minus to the side, it'll be plus. Yes. So we plus 200 and 150, we'll get selling price, which is 350. So yes, we got the answer. Hooray! You have learned your first topic. And the next one is markup on selling point. So markup on selling point is, let's read the definition, okay? Instead of calculating profit as a percentage of cost, this method uses the selling price as the base. Basically, the opposite of markup on cost. So markup on cost, as you can see, they use the As you can see, they use the cost as the base. And for this, they use the selling price as the base. So it's basically just the opposite. And the example for this one is if I sell a product for 500 baht that costs me 300 baht, what is my markup on cost? What is my markup on selling price? So by the way, selling price and selling point is the same thing. That confused me for a second, sorry. So we have gotten it, highlighted, by me. So basically we just put these into the formula and we get this. We get this, and then we just minus 500 and 300, which will give us 200 over 500 times 100. And we will do this one first, which is 200 divided by 500, which will give us 0.4. And we will bring that 0.4 to multiply it by 100, which will give us 40. And if you don't know how to multiply, then you just move like the dot, you move the dot. This is 2 decimal points. So you move it by 2 decimal points. 1, 2, and you get 40. Yes. It's so easy, guys. And we just add the percentage symbol, which will give us the answer. So markup on selling points equals 40%. So, hooray! We have completed 2 topics. And the next one won't be as easy because it's not the same as these 2. But it will still be easy once you know what it is. So, the next one is forecast moving average. Yes, so let's learn what forecast is first. Forecast is predicting future values like sales, demand, or revenue based on past data. And moving average is one of the simplest forecasting methods. It works by taking the average of the most recent periods to predict the next one. The formula for this one is this. Yes, and the example is a company recorded sales of 200, 220, 250, and 230 units in January, February, March, and April. Using a 3-month, as you can see here, moving average. What is the sales forecast for May? So basically, as you can see, it's 3 months, right? And you have to count from your recent sale value or something to the latest one by 3 months. So it's April, March, and February. So we just exclude that January. Yay, so easy. So this one we just take this off, yeah. So we will get 230, 220, and 250. And then we add all of them together and then divide by 3. See, it's so easy, guys. So we will get 700 over 3, and 700 divided by 3 equals 233.3. And this is scientifically proven by me because I have used a calculator for this. So the answer for this question is 233.3 units. So forecast for May is 233 units approximately. And hooray, we have finished 3 topics. And next one is break even. What is break even? Break even is the point where your sales equal cost. So you won't get profit or lose profit, I guess. Yeah. So the formula for this one is fixed cost over selling price per unit, variable cost per unit. So what is fixed cost? Fixed costs are costs you pay no matter what, like rent, salaries, or electricity. And variable cost per unit is cost that changes with each product, like materials and packaging. And one of the examples that I have given is if my friend where did my friend come from? Sorry. If my fixed costs are 5,000 baht, I sell each product for 250 baht, and the variable cost per product is 150 baht. How many units do I need to sell to break even? So basically, yeah, I have highlighted these as well. Oh, thank me. So fixed cost is 5,000 baht. Yes, and we have to add these 2 together, the selling price and variable cost. So sorry, not plus, minus. Okay, so 250 minus 150 is 100 baht. Then you just put it into the formula right here, like this. So 5,000 over 100, 5,000 divided by 100 is 50. Yay, you have gotten your answer. So the answer is break even units equals 50. Hooray! Now you have learned 4 topics. Yes. So subscribe, comment down below, and if you have any questions on any topics, you can ask me. Yes. Anyways, I am getting quite sleepy now. So bye, guys. Let me add a smiley face. Yes. Bye.